All right, picture this. You walk into your office, coffee in hand, and every single lead in your pipeline already followed up. Not by you, not by an intern, but by AI. Sounds risky? Maybe. Sounds like a time saver? Oh, absolutely. So I let AI handle my leads for an entire week. No filters, no manual tweaks, just pure, unfiltered automation. Would it crush it or crash and burn? Let's kick this off with the setup. I plugged in the latest conversational AI, fed it my prospect list, and, like a proud parent at a school play, hit go. First surprise, AI doesn't waste time. It responded to 27 leads before I finished my espresso shot. If only it could also do my taxes. But here's what nobody tells you. AI follows up. Like, hey, just checking in, times 100. Some prospects loved the quick replies. Others? Well, one asked if I'd been replaced by a chatbot. Busted. Let's talk numbers because, hey, I'm a data nerd. In 1 week, my typical response rate jumped by 38%. That's not a typo, 38%. And my average response time, cut in half. AI doesn't take coffee breaks, apparently. Now, were there awkward moments? Oh yeah, like when the AI accidentally scheduled 2 meetings at the same time. Or when it called someone Mr. Banana. Don't ask, but here's the kicker. It learned fast. After a couple tweaks, the cringe factor dropped, and suddenly I had more time for deep work, strategy, or let's be honest, scrolling through memes. But here's where it gets really interesting. My pipeline started moving faster. Prospects who might have ghosted me, AI kept them warm. It was like having a hyper-efficient assistant, minus the awkward birthday cards. So what's the bottom line? AI isn't magic. It won't close every deal for you, and yes, sometimes it'll get a bit weird. But if you want to move fast, stay on top of your leads, and maybe reclaim a few hours of your life, letting AI take the wheel, even just for a week, is a game changer. And hey, if you ever get an email from Mr. Banana, now you know who to blame. So, would I do it again? Absolutely. But next time, I'll keep an eye on the fruit nicknames. Smash that subscribe button for more experiments and let me know. Would you trust AI with your leads? Catch you in the next one.